now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
We picked up over 21 inches of snowfall so far this winter season when our normal should be at 18 inches. Last year, we were at 10.5 inches of snowfall. But over the last week or so, it has really changed in terms of the coverage of snow across the lower 48s, with snow traveling all the way down into the Dixie South and into the mid-Atlantics. Right now, the coverage across the lower 48s is at near 47%. Last month at this day, December 4th, we were at 8%. We're averaging about 4.2 inches of snow depth across the areas that do see that snow. It was a cloudy day. Did have a little bit of some filtered sunshine in the morning before the clouds gradually thickened throughout the afternoon. It's just a precursor of the snow system that's moving in here later tonight. So for the rest of today, I think we'll be fine. But getting closer to midnight, that's when the snow is going to start to inch its way into our area. We've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and even blizzard warnings across the Midwest. The lakeshore areas of Lake Superior are going to have an enhancement from Lake Superior, hence why they have winter storm warnings. We do have blizzard warnings across parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. This is the area of low pressure right now, slowly swirling and drifting down to the east and southeast. That area of low pressure is going to track right across northeastern Wisconsin, and we could have a little calm in the winds before they really start to pick up tomorrow on the backside of that area of low pressure. So for the rest of tonight, we'll have cloudy skies stick around, but then comes the snowfall. This is at 10 o'clock. Kind of seeing the back end of that slowly inching its way in here. By 1 o'clock in the morning, most of us will see light to occasionally moderate snow showers persist, and this is going to stay into the morning hours tomorrow. This is 5:15 in the morning. By the afternoon, the snow still sticks around, but the snow is going to start to move from the northwest down to the southeast. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that heaviest of the snowfall exits out of our area by 7 o'clock. We could have a few flurries still stick around here, and even perhaps some light lake effect snow showers impacting parts of Door County. But for the vast majority of us, the snow will be ending by tomorrow late afternoon, early evening. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll be picking up about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. And then as we get later on into the afternoon, those snowfall accumulations start to grow, and most of us will top off between 2 to as much as 4 inches. But there will be some locally higher totals near 5 inches. Wouldn't be surprised. Winds initially coming in out of the south and southeast, about 10 to 20 mile per hour gusts. But then you start to see a little lull. That's that area low pressure tracking right across the central part of the viewing area. And then winds really ramp up on the backside once that area of low pressure moves eastward, coming in out of the northwest between 20 to near 35, 40 miles per hour. That's why we're concerned for some blowing and drifting snowfall across the area. And with those winds picking up tomorrow, the wind chills will start to be impacted as well. Anywhere from feel-like temps down in the single digits, lower teens during the afternoon when our actual air temperature will be in the 20s. It's 31 outside right now. Winds northeast 10 miles per hour, feels like 22 with a sunset at 4:26. It is 19 in Pembine, 30 in Clintonville, 30 in Shawano, same thing in Appleton. It is above freezing from Sheboygan up through Ephraim, and a little bit cooler away from the immediate lake shore, with winds coming in out of the south and southeast between 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's why the lakeside areas are a little bit warmer because of that lakeshore influence. So we'll drop down to 25 degrees tonight. Winds out of the south, 10 to 15, gusts near 20. And then for tomorrow, we'll get up to only 27. And then the temperatures will slowly drop down, especially when that cold air starts to wrap around that area of low pressure. Getting down to 12 and then a high of 17 on Thursday. Might have a few light flurries. Mostly sunny on Friday, and then more cloud cover Saturday, Sunday before another big push. High of a balmy 5. What do you call that, beach weather?
Not exactly. You know, we had such a delayed start with winter this year, it seems, so the fact that we're seeing these extremely low temperatures should not come as a surprise, yet they do.
There you go.
It's winter, it's here. Time to bundle up, get the hand warmers out, and keep them handy for a while.
Do what you can.
All right, Gino, thanks. When we return.